Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making another simple cake for Valentine's Day. It's going to be a love is love cake. So if you're looking to bake a colorful declaration of love and pride and fluffy vanilla cake dyed a blush pink color and decorated with vibrant colorful hearts, I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description. And don't forget to stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. And if you're new to my kitchen, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Now let's go ahead, preheat our oven to 325 degrees and get started on some delicious yummy cake. So our first step is going to be to whisk together all of our dry ingredients. So grab your mixing bowl, and to that you want to add in your flour, your baking powder, and your salt. Then you want to give those a quick little whisk. And once you have all those dry ingredients nice and whisked together, go ahead, scoot those over to the side, grab another mixing bowl, and start by adding in your butter and your sugar. Then with your hand mixer, mix on a medium speed for a good 2 to 3 minutes until both the butter and sugar are fully incorporated and they're light and fluffy. After you reach full fluffiness, you want to go ahead and follow that by adding in your oil. And mix that in on that same medium speed. Now we'll add our egg whites. And go back in with our hand mixer and fully incorporate those. Again, we're going to stay on that same medium speed with our mixer. Now we're going to add in our vanilla. Usually with white cakes, I do like to use a clear vanilla. But because we're going to be dyeing this cake pink, if you just have regular vanilla handy, you go ahead and use that regular vanilla. Either way, you want to go ahead and add that in to your mixture. And mix that in, again, staying on that same medium speed with your hand mixer. So we have our dry mix and we have our wet mix. Now it's time to go ahead and put those together with a little bit of milk. So we're going to start and end with our dry mix. So let's go ahead and add in 1/3 of our dry mix, half of our milk, and with our hand mixer on a nice low speed, we're going to go ahead and start incorporating that dry mix into our wet mix with our milk. Then we'll add in a little more flour and the last of our milk. Back in with our hand mixer, staying on that low speed, and continue to incorporate the flour and the milk together while we add in the last of our flour and continue to mix until we have a nice smooth cake batter. And just like that, in a couple of quick, easy steps, you have the perfect white cake recipe. But we are gonna go ahead and dye this cake pink. So let's follow this batter up by adding in a couple of drops of pink food gel color. Now we're gonna blend in this food gel color on a nice low speed with our mixer until the color is fully dispersed and fully incorporated. Now after that fruit gel color, your cake is ready to go. So let's go ahead and pour this into our prepared pan. And pop in the oven and let bake for a quick 30 to 35 minutes, or until your cake tester comes out clean. So our cakes have baked, they've cooled. I've already went ahead, leveled and halved our cake. Now it's time to decorate. It's my favorite part. So we're gonna go ahead and take our first layer of cake, place that on our cake turntable, and we're gonna pipe on a generous amount of our fluffy vanilla buttercream. I'll be sure to go ahead and include all those steps, the ingredients, and the directions so you can make your own delicious fluffy white buttercream. It's not too sweet, it has a nice stiffness to it. It's just, it's so good. Then we're gonna smooth that buttercream. Now I'm only going to be doing a 2-layer cake because I want to keep it simple for Valentine's Day. If you want to add more layers to your cake, you definitely go ahead and do that. Just want to follow those steps of adding a nice generous amount of buttercream, another layer of cake, and so forth until you have that perfect tight cake that you're looking for. Or you just keep it simple and just two. You just add 2 layers of cake. Either way, once you have your cake stacked up, we want to go ahead and start covering this with even more of our fluffy, delicious, not so sweet, but oh so good vanilla buttercream. So starting from the bottom, and while rotating your cake turntable, we're going to pipe on our vanilla buttercream in an upward motion. Now with our cake frosting scraper, our straight spatula, or our offset spatula, we're gonna go ahead and smooth our vanilla buttercream. Best way I find is to hold your smoothing tool upright and gently press against your cake while rotating your cake turntable, letting that turntable do all the work. Now you are gonna have some gaps here in your buttercream. That's okay, don't worry. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do some buttercream spackling. It's kind of like carpentry, but in the kitchen and with cake. So we're gonna take some extra buttercream and we're gonna go ahead and fill in those gaps and continue to smooth over until we have that nice, fine finish on our cake. Now let's go ahead and add some vanilla buttercream on top of our cake and smooth that over just as well. Once you have your cake covered in this delicious buttercream, we're gonna go ahead and take a heart-shaped cookie cutter and we're gonna just gently press that into the buttercream to kind of give us a nice stencil for when we paint on our buttercream. Once you have your heart shape stenciled out all along your cake, you wanna go ahead, pop it in the fridge and let it set and chill for a good couple of minutes, not too long though, while we clean up, reset, and finish our decorating. So I just took the cake out of the fridge. It has a nice, chilled, set firmness to it. Now we can go ahead and start finishing up our decorating. So I already have vanilla buttercream colored in our rainbow colors, nice and vibrant. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Now let's go ahead and start piping these on to our cake. So we're gonna start with red, and we're gonna pipe on a nice red border. And fill that in a little bit. Follow that with orange. And then we'll do yellow. Green. Blue. Indigo, which is maybe not really indigo. I'm kind of colorblind, so if I did not get that shade right, I am so sorry. And then our violet. Then let's go ahead and smooth out those hearts just a tiny little bit to clean it up. And let's use the rest of our buttercream so no buttercream goes to waste, and add a couple of vibrant rainbow dollops of buttercream on top of our cake. And just like that, in a couple of quick, easy steps, you have a delicious, super moist, ultra fluffy pink cake, vibrant rainbow colors, bursting with vanilla flavor that is perfect for Valentine's Day and perfect for celebrating love. Because at the end of the day, hashtag love is love. Thank you all for stopping by. I had so much fun making this Love is Love cake. If you want to see more rainbow inspired desserts, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up, helps me out, lets me know I'm baking recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you're going to be trying yourselves. And don't forget, while you're down there giving this video a thumbs up, commenting on some ideas you have for rainbow inspired desserts, definitely click that subscribe button and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any yummy treats I have coming up here in the kitchen, maybe even some more rainbow desserts. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away, so if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make your own Love is Love cake or your own rainbow inspired desserts, definitely give a tag on Instagram. You know, let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna have a slice of cake, grab some more coffee, enjoy the day. It's a little rainy and gray here, but I'm gonna enjoy it anyway. I hope you all get to do the same. And as always, I will see you all in the next video very soon. Bye.